Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now, on CPA, I just realized that on AdBlueMedia, there are some offers which you can't just copy the link directly. They require you to have a content rocker. And many people ask on how to create a good content rocker on AdBlueMedia. So this video will be worth your time. So make sure you watch up to the end and you're going to learn a lot from this video. Now, this is AdBlueMedia. For example, apart from email submit offer, for the cost per install, the cost per installs means that you are paid to install an app either on Android phone or an iPhone or iOS device. So, for example, this offer here, which is called Merge Cooking. If I try to copy the link here, you see, it says that direct linking is not allowed on this offer. So it's only allowed what? Rocker only. You have to use a content rocker. So for the mobile install offers, how do you create a content rocker on AdBlueMedia? So first of all, you come here under content rockers, click modify rocker. First of all, I want to show you how to create a normal content rocker for a normal offer. So you see they have content rockers for games, mobile install, viral share and stuff. So let's start with the mobile install offer, this one. So now you create a name. You can say here Hunter Mobile, yeah. Also I should create here, sorry, Hunter Mobile, writing the name of your what? Of your rocker. So that's my rocker. Let me save it. Once you save it like that, you scroll down. Yeah. Here you can play around with colors. I will show you later on. So you can say number of offers on that content rocker should be 4. Offers required, you can say you want people to complete like 2 offers to proceed. Number of payouts. Remember, depending on the apps cost per install offer apps you want to do, you can write any amount. Remember, 500 cents is equals to $5. So you can put here like 1,000. Yeah. Then leave the rest the way they are. You can play around with everything you want here. Then direct URL. For example, you can say that after completing an offer, yeah, you can direct people even, let's say, to my YouTube channel, like here. So you can post your URL or your Google Drive where you're offering something. For example, if you're promoting a game hack and you have saved it on Google Drive, you can go to your Google Drive, yeah, and then copy that link to the reward that you want to give your members. Come and paste it here. You can even post your YouTube channel, your Telegram, your private Telegram group, which when people complete that particular offer, they will be directed to this particular link. But if you don't have anything to offer them, you can just come here and then say cross rocker. So after a person completes these 2 offers here, the page is just going to cross. Yeah. So that's another option. Then once you are done with everything, click save and preview. It's quite easy. You see? So you can see now people can come here depending on the device they are using. For example, this is called install an app from the list below to continue. So this is a very good content rocker for what? For mobile devices. Yeah, you see this one. So if you share this content rocker to people from various countries, tier 1, tier 2 countries, they're going to get relevant app install offers in their country. For example, in my country right now, I don't have high paying app cost per install offers. So you can just copy this link here after you are done. Yeah, this link, copy it. You can put it in a link shortener so that you can be able to share it with your people, or you can just paste it in the browser here, first of all, to see how it appears. You see, this is how it appears here. You can also play around with the colors. For example, here you can put it any color that you need, like for example green. Come here and then select green there. Yeah, so Let's see the color, how it will change. I'll put some green color. You see, I have changed the background to green. So you can just play around with the offer. So that's how you create what? That's how you create a mobile app content locker on CPA Grip. Now, I want us to go back here to modify. Now, if you want to create a locker for any other thing you need, just do the same procedure I have shown you. All the other things you can do the same. But now there is another way you can create an offer on CPA Grip on AdBlueMedia using Visual Editor Prime. Yeah, so just create Visual Editor Prime, click Build Now. So this is a more advanced form of creating an offer on what? On, you see? So I want to create a new, so let me create here new. So you can say here OnlineEarnHunter. This is a more advanced way of creating a very good content locker on AdBlueMedia. So make sure you follow the steps. So click done. Now here you select the templates that you need, which is the best here. Let's pick this one, this template. Then under general settings here, leave it the way they are. Offers, you can say the number of offers are 2, 10. Then you say you want people to complete like 3 of them to proceed. Payout cents, you can say like 2,000. That is $20. Then remember, if you have a redirection URL, you can just click there and then paste it here. That's here. Paste it there. If you don't have a redirect URL, just click cross locker there. Then proceed now to design locker. Here you can play around with colors. Play around with colors. For example, here you can play around with the colors the way you want. So you can say you see, that's the background. You can change the background that you need. So let's have a more clear background, which is more better. Let's put a yellow background, like that, green background, yeah. Then content locker header. You can play around with the colors also. Let's see the header. You see, you can play around with the colors. You can make it as beautiful as you want. Let's say purple there. Then here you have, yeah, you can play around with any color you need. For example, here, just play around with the colors to make it attractive, so that anybody who comes to your offer, yeah, they'll be attracted to open it and have some fun. Yeah, so those are basically all the settings that you can do. Then, yeah, you can leave everything the way they are. I think my top text. So let me, here I can write complete offers and get rewarded. Like that. You can write anything, Alignment, you can say it's center, right, like it having center. Yeah. Top text. You can play around with anything you want. Anything you want, you can play around with it very well. So those are the settings that you do. So once you do all those settings, you can click here. So these are like 10, although it's good to have like content lockers offers. Let's put like 6. Minimize the number. 6 is good. So once you finish everything, click save. Then click here, build a link or a code for a website. Then select the content locker you have created. Remember, you have created this one, OnlineEarnHunter. This one, OnlineEarnHunter here. Once you do that, click generate code. So you can see it gives you a URL to use on your website or a JavaScript. So we're going to copy this JavaScript here, all of this up to there. We're going to copy it, then go to DeepSeek and paste it here. Then let me copy it to save time. Let me copy this command that I use. This command here. I'm going to paste it at the top here. So the prompt which I've put says that turn this script into function using HTML web code. Also don't add any extra text or comment inside the code. Keep it blank and empty. Make the script function automatically in 3 seconds. So this is the code that we have copied. So you can copy this prompt and be using it when on your DeepSeek or ChatGPT. So once you're done with everything, the script, the prompt, and this code, here, and this code you have gotten here, this code here. So we are good to go. Let me click now build. So now once you get now this embedded code here, copy this code, then go to Google Sites. Yeah, this is the Google site here. Google site is a free website. This one, googlesites.com, it's free. Once you create an account, start a new site, come to start a new site, click blank site here. Then come to embed. Remember the code that you have embedded, paste it here now. Like that. Click next. Ta-da! And the reason for doing this is because if you copy the content locker link and paste it on social media sites or anywhere, or try to promote it on Facebook ads or Google ads, it's going to be blocked. So it's always good to host it on a domain, whether a paid domain or a free domain like sites.google.com. That's why we did all this hassle. So now you can see that now this content locker is the same that we created. It's best. Now this content locker is the same as the one we created here, but now we have hosted it on a domain such that now promoting it, you can promote it on Google ads or Facebook ads or Meta ads without having any particular issue. Now you can't just leave it like this, so you have to make it now look appealing. So you can say here, complete offers and get rewarded. Complete offers and get rewarded. You make it beautiful like that. Add a color there. Then you can even center it. Just make it more beautiful, which can, when you promote it, that it will prompt your people to click on it. See here, you can say just rewards. Now our content locker is very hosted on a free domain on sites.google. If you have a paid domain, you can use it to do the same. You can just repeat the same process and then insert it on your paid domain. But now I showed this option because of the free domain of sites.google.com. So once you do, just publish your site. So here you can say OnlineEarnHunter 2. Oh, it's already taken 8. So this one is okay. Then click publish, and then you'll be having your content locker hosted on a legit domain. So once you do that, click link here, this link, then you can open it here. And then this link, you can promote it on Meta ads or Google ads or Microsoft ads, and everybody who clicks the link wanted to get the offer that you provide, they're going to see this page. and then they can be able to do what? To complete survey or whichever offers which are being offered on the content locker. So in a nutshell, that's how you create the different types of content lockers on AdBlueMedia. I have showed two types. The one which for creating the lockers for promoting apps. Remember, we started with this one, mobile install apps. Yeah, you can go back to my previous video. And then I showed you the advanced option, Visual Editor by Prime. Yeah, which brought us to this page here. So guys, that's all the info you need to know about creating content lockers on AdBlueMedia. Also, you can create another option here. You can create it using this option. Just write test. There are so many options of creating content lockers. It's all the same. And make sure every time you add a new name, click save in the template. Yeah, you can edit anything you want here on all those categories. Remember here to put the maximum offers required that you require people to complete. You can say you require people to complete how many offers, like 2 %. See, that's $10. If you don't have a redirect URL, you can say cross locker. I already explained about this. So once you are done with everything, so when a user click here, they are going to see offers here, and then you can play around with the colors. For example, overlay, you can put any color you want, like green, like that. Then which other color? Font color, title color, you can put it red, just put there. Primary color, font color, you can put any color you need, just to make it lively and perfect. Yeah, so once you do all those changes, click save and preview, and voila, click here again. You see, you add some colors to your setup. You can click get link here, and then yeah, there's a link, and you can then post it here. It's the same process. I've shown you 3 ways of creating content lockers on AdBlueMedia. Yeah, so for the apps, I started with the one for creating apps. For the other offers, I showed you how even to embed them on googlesites.com, and this is another third option. So guys, be sure to try out AdBlueMedia. Test the various ways of creating content locker which I've shown you earlier, and give me the feedback under the description of this video. So guys, thank you for watching, and keep it locked to my next video.